Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a jewelry business with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Starting a jewelry business on Etsy can be an exciting venture. First, decide on the type of jewelry you want to create. Consider your interests, skills, and market demand. Research current trends in jewelry to find inspiration. Next, develop a unique brand that reflects your style. Choose a memorable name for your shop. Design a logo that captures the essence of your brand. Once your branding is in place, start creating your jewelry pieces. Experiment with different materials and techniques. Focus on quality to ensure customer satisfaction. After creating a collection, take high-quality photos of your jewelry. Use natural lighting to showcase details and colors. Consider using a plain background to keep the focus on your products. Now it's time to set up your Etsy shop. Visit Etsy.com and create an account if you don't have one. Click on Open Your Etsy shop to start the setup process. Fill in the required information like your shop name and location. Add a shop banner and profile picture to make your shop visually appealing. Now upload your product listings. Write clear and engaging descriptions for each item. Include details like size, materials, and care instructions. Set competitive pricing by researching similar items on Etsy. Once your shop is live, promote it on social media. Share your journey and behind-the-scenes content. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Consider using Etsy's advertising tools to increase visibility. Monitor your shop's performance through Etsy Analytics. Adjust your marketing strategies based on customer feedback and sales data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.